Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Hanson. I am a YouTuber based in Canada. In this channel I create content surrounding fashion, style and a little bit of lifestyle. So if that is something that you're interested in, I will really appreciate it if you go ahead and click on the subscribe button and subscribe, join the family, and I really do hope that you like it here. As for you, my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming back, for supporting, for watching my videos. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much. All right guys, as you guys can already tell by the title of today's video, is going to be a Polene bag review. So about a couple of months ago, I got my very first Polene purse, and I did post an unboxing of that purse on Instagram and got quite a few questions from you guys. And like I said, it was my very first one, but because I actually really love the first purchase that I made, I went ahead and bought the second one. So in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys my own review of what I think about these purses, just in case you were considering purchasing your own Polene purse. Hopefully this video is helpful to you. Quick disclaimer: this video is not sponsored. I got these purses with my hard-earned money, okay, even though it would have been nice to be sponsored, but it's not. So yeah, that is what this video is going to be about. So without further ado, let's just dive right straight into the video. Okay, so a little bit about Polene Paris. Polene is a brand and I believe they are originated from Spain. They have beautifully crafted, luxurious, timeless purses. So if you go to their website, you will understand what I'm talking about. They have so many beautiful styles of purses, very well structured, very timeless, minimal, and I just love the fact that it matches my style so well. From the very first time I came across that brand, I just knew that I would go ahead and purchase a few handbags from them. It was just a matter of time. I always admire their purses, and another one thing about them is that they have a wide range of colors. Like, their color range is just beautiful, and I believe everybody can find something they love on their websites. They have a lot of colors, but most importantly, they do neutral colors so well. And if you guys know me, you know that I just love neutral colors. And so yeah, this is the very first handbag that I got from Polene, and this one is called the Numero Sept. This purse also comes in a mini, but I did went ahead and purchased the regular size because I just felt like the mini was just going to be too mini. You know, what is the point of spending all that money and then you can't really fit anything into the purse? Initially on the website, I was thinking that this purse is going to be way bigger than this, but when it came, I was pleasantly surprised that this purse was not as big as I expected it to be. But to be honest, I love the size of this purse. I do not like big purses at all, so to me this is perfect. This is a medium size, like a medium size purse. So yeah, this here is perfect. So I went ahead and got it in this dual camel color here. As you guys can tell, the color of the flap right here is a little bit lighter than the body of the bag. So when you go ahead and open the purse, this is what it looks like on the inside. It is quite spacious. It has this little compartment here that you can go ahead and, you know, just put maybe your cards or something here. The inside of the bag, as you guys can see here, it has this suede material lining inside. So yeah, this is what the back of the purse looks like. This is what the sides looks like, and this is what the bottom looks like. It has the top handle with some gold detailing hardware. Also comes with the longer strap, so you can go ahead and wear it as a crossbody if you so wish. And the strap also has the gold detailing here that also says Polene. So the leather of this purse is called smooth full grain. It has this thing here where you can, you know, just pull the back open. Here it just has this, it has the Polene on this, you know, gold detail here. So to close it, you just push this in like so. So yeah, that is a look into this bag. So hopefully you guys can get into all the details. So on the website, this bag is $490 is. As you guys may know, I live in Canada. What that means is that I will have to convert that to Canadian dollars, and if I remember correctly, it was about $600 and something, almost 700. So Polene, like I mentioned earlier, is based in Spain. I do know that they have a store in the US and also in the UK. For some reason, I don't think they have any store in Canada, at least not yet that I know of. So I think their warehouse is in Spain, and this is where these bags are made. It says that it's 3 to 5 days shipping using DHL, and they are not lying. This bag came in less than 5 days. And the thing that I noticed about Polene is that from the moment you place your order, you're going to get series of emails upon emails. When your bag is shipped, wherever your bag is, you're going to always get updates from them. It comes in a box like this. My lighting is a little bit too bright for you guys to see, and it just says here Polene here, and it says here Numero Sept, which is the name of this particular purse right here. So this is the inside, bubble wrap, so it is well packaged. Each of their bags comes in a dust bag. So yeah, onto the pros of this purse, you guys. I don't really need to say much about this purse because honestly, just look at this. Is this not beautiful? The number one pro of this is that this bag is stunning. It's absolutely gorgeous. I just really love the style of this purse. The structure is minimal, it's timeless, it's classy. This is just perfect for me, and I feel like this goes so well with my own style, and that is the number one thing that I love about this bag right here. Number two thing that I love about this bag is the fact that it has this top handle. I love the design. The design is really what got me. I think it's really, really unique. You can tell that this is, you know, a very good material that is used to make this purse, and you can also tell that it's going to last you like a very long time. For the price points, like I said, this bag costs $490 US. So yeah, the price points, in my opinion, I don't think it's bad for the price. So yeah, those are the pros of this bag. I only have one con about this bag, and that is the strap right here. I do not hate the fact that it has the strap, right? However, I hate the fact that I cannot take this strap off. As you guys can see on the inside, this strap here is attached to this purse, okay? It's not going anywhere. You cannot take it off. That is the one thing I don't like about this purse. I love the purse itself, don't get me wrong. I just wish that I was able to take this strap off and just carry this purse as it is, not having to worry about having the strap. So yeah, sorry, I said one, but it's actually two. The only other con that I have about this bag is the fact that the material of this particular purse is the smooth leather, so it comes in textured leather. So I feel like because the leather is smooth, it can easily scratch. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but somewhere here where my finger is, it has a little bit of scratch. It's not like really like visible. It's only visible to me because it's my purse. So, but I also do not think that this particular color here comes in a textured leather. I think there are other colors that comes in textured leather, but not this particular one here. But overall, this is a very stunning purse. You can see it for yourself. I will even repurchase this in a different color because I love it. That is it about this particular one right here. So yeah, all right guys, let's get into my newest addition from Polene Paris. This particular one, I got it a couple of weeks ago and I never got to open this purse. I was itching to open it, but I wanted to also film an unboxing, so I only got to open this purse yesterday, and I've had this purse for over 2 weeks. I was not disappointed when I finally opened this purse, and this is this one right here. Can you guys see this beauty? Let me just show you guys a 360 view of this purse right here. This one right here is called the Numero Neuf. I hope I am pronouncing these things correctly because I honestly don't know what they mean. You guys, remember when I told you guys that what really gets me with Polene is the unique structures of their purses. Take a look at the structure of this purse right here. And as always, you guys already know I love my neutrals. So I went ahead and got this taupey color. And you guys, this purse is absolutely gorgeous. It still has the tag here because like I said, I only opened it yesterday. So this says that the lining of this purse is 100% cotton and the main material of this purse is full grain Italian calf skin. As you guys can tell the difference, this one here, the material is really smooth. but this one, however, has a little bit of texture to it. This one also comes in a mini, but like I said, I really don't see any reason why I would spend money on a mini, because I think the mini is 390 US while the regular size is 420 US, a little bit cheaper than this one. So this was 490 and this is 420. This is the inside of the purse. This one, unlike the other one, the strap is removable, which I really love. Guys, this is the inside of this purse right there. Hopefully you guys can see. It also have the lining, has a little compartment on the inside where you can also put like maybe your cards or something. It also has this button right here where you can snap close the purse, so you can close it like so. I love everything about this purse, the shape, the color. The pro of this particular purse is just as the same as the one I showed you guys earlier. Very roomy. Love that. Love that it's very well made. Love the structure. Look at how minimal this bag is. Like, it's not doing a lot, but it's actually doing a lot. All right, the only con I would have about this particular bag is the fact that, as you guys can tell, this bag is a little bit big. But can you see how small, how tiny this strap is? So this is going to be very uncomfortable even if you wanted to wear it as a crossbody. So, like, this is too tiny as compared to the size of this bag. As you guys could tell, this strap here was much bigger, so it's going to be much more comfortable to use this as a crossbody as compared to this. Okay, I absolutely love the textured leather. If I were to compare what leather I love the best, I think I prefer the fact that this particular leather here is textured. It's not going to get easily scratched as this one, and I feel like if it was smooth it would have been very plain, but the fact that it's textured just adds something to the purse. So I really love that about the purse. So yeah, those are the two purses that I own from Polene, and I am absolutely satisfied with my purchase, and I will definitely purchase more purses from Polene. I already know the one that I want to purchase next, and I'm going to put a picture of that one here because I also love how this particular purse here looks. So yeah, that might be my next purchase unless I see something else that I love better than that particular one right there. But yeah, I do want to let you guys know that I did pay customs for this purse, and initially when I wanted to buy this purse, like, I kept going back and forth. I didn't know what to expect from the customs. I tried to go online and read about it, but a lot of people were saying they had to pay a lot. Some people said they did not pay a lot. The reviews that I saw were not people that lived in Canada, which is why it took me so long, because I wasn't sure of what to expect. But surprisingly, when customs came for this particular purse here, my custom fee was $50, and this particular purse here, it was even cheaper. I think I paid less than $45 for this one. So I'm not sure why the customs were different, because even if they wanted to go by the weight, this one here is much heavier than this one. So if you live in Canada, the customs is not bad. But then I live in Calgary, so I don't know if you live in a different province if it's going to be different, but honestly I really don't think it's going to be that much of a difference. So in summary, if you were thinking of buying from them, of course I would say 100% I recommend them, and I promise you, you're not going to regret it. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Which of these purses do you like the best? Let me know which one is your favorite. Like this video and subscribe if you are not. Follow me on my social media. I'm going to leave my Instagram, my TikTok and my Facebook links in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate you guys. God bless you, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.